Sean McAllister, mas at Kelly ar y chwyth. Bach o le i'r cefnor I fentro mlaen dyma bach. Mae Kenton o'i flanau. Erbyn Walters, digon o le, gwaith da gan yr asgellwr. Pilberyglis i'r canol. O, mae wedi mynd heibio I bawb, ond mae wedi llithro mewn I gifyn y rhwyd Idzi yn syn y golwr. O, Joe Kenton yn dechrau hanner canfed gêm yn torri ti fewn. Yn tanio Pilberyglis i'r cwrt chwech. A fe lithrodd I heibio'r golwr. Mae bron yn gamsyniad, mae'n gamsyniad gan Dave Jones y golwr. Mae Carroll wedi chodi ddi. Fod fe ddi dros y bar ar y camsyniad gan y golwr. Carroll ar cyfle. Kenton i'r canol. Flick gan Woodford ar amddiffynwr. Creu mwy o berig nag oedd, fi'n credu. Dyma Harry, ymyl y cwrt. I danio, mae Mwanda mewn yn cam sefyll. Y blaenor yn dathlu am ryw hanner eiliad. Cyn y siom o wel y liman yn cael ei chodi. Harry ar ergyd, ond Mwanda yn effro a bron. Chael caniatad I ddathlu am yr eilwaith y tymor hyn. Craig Williams, mlaen at Harry sy'n troi, mae Mwanda mewn, mae hwnna'n fochedd, ond chwarae mlaen fydd y dyfarnwr, Harry yn erbyn Idzi. Mae yna broblemau fan hyn I Caerfyrddin, fe roedd tackle Lisa yn gwbl fwriadol o'r tu ôl, yn llorio'r blaenwr, ac mae'n eithriadol o ffodus I ddianc a chadnau fel yn unig. Yr arbediad gan Idzi yn wych. Mae yna waith I wneud o hyd i'r amddiffyn y tîm cartre. Job mynd I hanner wneud fyna, Bill dal yn rhydd, Liam Thomas ar y cwrt Cosby. Yr ergyd at y gol, ond Dave Jones yn ymddangos I gipio hwnna. Ac yn bosib yn gafel yn dyn yn y bêl ar triffwynt i'r tîm cartre yma.
It was scrappy, there was a lot of errors, but look, listen, you've got to do that sometimes. We've had lots of games this year, and I'm sure every manager would say the same, where you played really well and not got your just deserved. So listen, we'll take that today. If we have to go and scrap it, and we have to dig in and we have to grind it out, we'll do that. We've shown that we can do that in the last 2 or 3 weeks. You know, the 2 Barry games and today as well against the spirited Carmarthen team. So look, you know, I thought my 2 centre halves, my goalkeeper when called upon did really well, and you know, we've had a couple of injuries this week to Nick Rushton and Ian Sheridan, so which meant we had to go with the young front three, and I thought they did really well first half. I think we had a lot of control first half, but you know, second half, fair play to Carmarthen, they changed their shape, which, you know, we changed ours, but look, we ground it out and we got over the line. That's what it's all about this stage of the season. 3 points is 3 points, and it's a big one for us.
Yeah, we played well. Tried something slightly different first half, which when the players got the grips with it, I mean, we played some good stuff, you know, and that's something which I really, really want to do. Again, it's pretty much been the story of my time here. You know, we've had to work for the few goals that we've scored. Yet we've sort of given and gifted the other team's goals. So a bit disappointed, but overall, I mean, performance-wise and chances created. Just saying in there now with Chris and the players that that's the first time really the things that we sort of fundamentals that we've worked on have started to, you know, you can see it building up, you know. So it's it's pleasing.
Craig Williams, 400 starts in the Welsh Premier League. He's been pretty good for you over the last couple of years as well, hasn't he?
He hasn't been bad, has he? He hasn't done bad. 400 starts. You know, that's testament to him, the way he performs on the pitch, the way he is off the pitch. That's why he's captain. That's why he's you know, rightly so a legend at the club as well. They use that term lightly, but you know, look, his standards and his consistency and everything about him since I've been at the club and prior to me coming in have been top drawer, and that's why, you know, he keeps at that level, and he's one, you know, for young players to look at and, you know, try and get up to that level, because, you know, he's 7 or 8 out of 10 every week at worst, and you know, that's why he's made those games, and you know, he's been a great player for me, and hopefully he can carry on those legs, can get him through a few more seasons and get some more games underneath his belt.